This video is part 2 in the series titled, The Human Body and the Single Cell. According to Darwin's theory of evolution, human beings originally evolved from a single cell floating in the ocean. That single cell evolved into a fish, an amphibian, a reptile, an insect, a bird, a mammal, and finally into a human being. In the first video of this series, it was stated that, according to Happeh Theory, the human body contains somewhere within itself characteristics of all of the creatures on the path of evolution. Somewhere within the human body can be found the characteristics of birds, reptiles, mammals, insects, fish, amphibians, and even the original single cell floating in the ocean from which human life originally began. To support that claim, the first video presented as an example the characteristics of the original single cell floating in the ocean that can be found within the human body. The first video demonstrated how the sphere, the circle, the spiral, the triangle, and the pyramid are all shapes that are characteristics of the original single cell floating in the ocean. All of those shapes can also be found within the human body. The example using the single cell supports the claim by Happeh Theory that the human body contains within itself the characteristics of other creatures on the path of evolution. The 5 shapes found in both the original single cell floating in the ocean and the modern human body are relatively large-scale physical characteristics. The idea that the large-scale physical characteristics of the original single cell floating in the ocean directly influence the development of the modern human body is unique to Happeh Theory. If a scientist was asked, was the development of the modern human body influenced by the original single cell floating in the ocean, the scientist might respond by saying, yes, the development of the modern human body was influenced by the original single cell floating in the ocean at the microscopic chemical or genetic level. The difference between how modern science and Happeh Theory describe the influence of the original single cell floating in the ocean on the development of the modern human body is that modern science emphasizes the influence that the single cell had on the development of the human body at the microscopic chemical and genetic levels, while Happeh Theory emphasizes the influence that the relatively large-scale physical characteristics of the original single cell floating in the ocean had on the development of the human body. Keeping in mind the claim by Happeh Theory that the relatively large-scale physical characteristics of the original single cell floating in the ocean influence the development of the modern human body will help the viewer with the next part of this video. The next part of this video is going to show various video clips of the process of a single cell dividing into 2 new cells. According to Happeh Theory, more insight into how the original single cell floating in the ocean influenced the development of the modern human body can be found in the following video clips of the process of cell division. This video is not going to explain what observation can be made about the following video clips of the process of cell division that shows another way in which the single cell floating in the ocean influenced the development of the modern human body. The purpose behind not explaining what observation about the process of cell division provides more insight into how the single cell influenced the development of the human body is to demonstrate to the viewer how simple Happeh Theory is and to demonstrate to the viewer how easy it is for a human being not to see something that is right in front of them. The way in which the process of cell division influenced the development of the human body is plainly visible in each of the following video clips of the process of cell division. Yet no one in human history has made the connection between what is going on during the process of cell division that directly influenced the development of the human body until the creation of Happeh Theory. The observation about the process of cell division shown in the following video clips that provides more insight into how the single cell floating in the ocean influenced the development of the human body will be explained in the next video of this series. That explanation will prove to the viewer how simple Happeh Theory really is and how easy it can be for a human being to not see something that is right in front of them. When the viewer of this video sees for themselves in the next video how simple and obvious the connection between the following video clips of the process of cell division and the development of the human body is, the viewer will be astounded that no human being in history has seen the connection until the creation of these videos for Happeh Theory. The showing of the various video clips of the process of cell division will now begin. Please watch the first video clip while thinking about how what you see could be related to the modern human body. The thing you are looking for in the process of cell division that is similar to something in the human body can be found in multiple locations all over the human body. Did you see anything in the video of the process of cell division that made you think of something related to the human body? If you didn't see anything in the video clip, the easiest way to approach this or any other problem is to list everything you observed and to completely describe each of those observations. What exactly did you see when you watched the single cell undergoing the process of cell division? To assist the viewer with their observations, the video clip of the process of cell division will be replayed in slow motion. Next, a different video clip of the process of cell division will be shown. The same phenomena found in the first video clip of the process of cell division that is related to the development of the human body can be found in this video clip of the process of cell division. The previous video clip will be shown again in slow motion to allow the viewer more time to examine what it is they are seeing. One more different video clip of the process of cell division will be shown next. This video clip shows the same phenomena related to the development of the human body that could be seen in the first two video clips of the process of cell division. The previous video clip will also be shown in slow motion to allow more detailed observation of what is going on in this video clip of the process of cell division. There are only a few things to observe in each of the previous video clips of the process of cell division. There is the single cell itself, there are the two cells created after the process of cell division, and there are the motions involved in the actual process of cell division. Did you see anything at all in any of the video clips of the process of cell division that could be related to the development of the modern human body? The thing in each of the previous video clips of the process of cell division that is related to the development of the human body is right there in front of you in each video clip. All you have to do is actually see what it is you are looking at. Then make the mental connection between what you see and any of the multiple locations on the human body that exhibit the same characteristics that you have found in the previous video clips of the process of cell division.